Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. God bless you friends and always be happy. So friends, in this video you will see very gorgeous and very trendy ideas for outdoor fire pit seating designs ideas. These ideas are so stunning, and friends, these ideas are so unique. So friends, don't skip the video, and friends, design your outdoor area with using these outdoor fire pit seating designs ideas. Friends, you can design your outdoor seating area with using these ideas. Your outdoor seating area look beautiful. Thank you friends for watching this video. I really hope that you all love these ideas. If you all love these ideas, so friends, share the video with your friends and family who want outdoor fire pit seating ideas. These ideas are very beautiful, and friends, these ideas are very unique. So friends, don't skip the video, and friends, watch the video. I really hope that they all love these ideas. Friends, different people have different choices. They love different styles. They love different designs. And friends, they love different colors. So friends, in this video, you will see different colors and different decent and different beautiful and unique ideas for outdoor fire pit seating designs ideas. I really hope that you all love these designs. Friends, some people love dark color, some people love light colors, and friends, some love also bright colors. So friends, in this video you will see different colors and different decent and different beautiful and unique ideas for outdoor fire pit seating designs ideas. These ideas are very beautiful, and friends, these ideas are very unique. If you all love these designs, friends, like my video. See you soon, friends.